Every journey on Kenyan roads comes with uncertainty. One moment everything is fine. The next, an accident can happen without warning. Without a dashcam, proving what really happened can be nearly impossible. False claims, disputes, and unexpected costs can add up fast. At DOHC-AUTO VYBE, we provide professional front and rear dashcam installation across Nairobi and Kenya. Our dashcams record in 4K Ultra HD, capturing every detail. You get clear evidence, safer driving, and total peace of mind. Installing a dashcam protects you and your passengers. It ensures your insurance claims are supported and gives you full coverage on every trip. Unlike DIY setups, our professional installation ensures reliable performance with precision and perfect camera placement. Drivers across Nairobi trust us for quality systems and reliable support every step of the way. Book your dashcam installation today. DOHC-AUTO VYBE. Drive assured with reliable surveillance.